Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the noise suppression in the Zello application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the little button on the top of the page on the left. Then click on the settings button. Then click on the audio button. And then click on the noise suppression button. It means, by the way, that it will reduce background noises when you are recording in this application. So just click on the on button, and now it's enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.